So here is a quick way you can easily identify any image online. So the first thing you need to do is to go to your Chrome and just type in, let me just type in anything at all. So once you've done that, click on this three icon at the top here, click on this three icon at the top, then enable the desktop site. So once you've done that, you click on this camera icon here, click on the camera icon. I'll just do that real quick, then click on upload the file. So once you've clicked on upload the file, you select the image which you want to upload. You can select this real quick and wait for it to load. So once it has loaded, you can see the image has now been identified, and you can see it's from Pinterest. The image has now been identified and you can see it's from Pinterest. So you can just go to click on that image and you'll be able to download it like that. So sometimes it might actually not work like this. So let me just show you how you can easily an alternative to this. Let's do this for this image and see. So once you've uploaded your image, okay, the image is already here. I can see the image here. You can see it here. This one here, this is from Behance. You should be aware that you can download images from Behance. You can see this here as well. You can actually see this. Or sometimes if you are not okay with the search, all you just need to do is to recrop this and let it reload again, and then it will bring out another option for you. Yes, you can see that it is here. But sometimes this might actually not even work like this, because this Google Lens is not 100%. Yes, I'll say that it's not 100% accurate, because there are some images you can't actually identify sometimes. So for certain images like that, the only thing you can do here, for example this image right now, you just need to resize this first and wait for it to load. So once it has loaded and you can't still find the image here, so all you need to do that, since you have cropped this, you can see there's space inside of the image, just hold that down and click on search Google for this image. So once you click on search Google for this image, you wait for it to load. So you can see this. I think this is the image. Yes, this is it. The image has been used somewhere, so you can just click on that, click on the image. So you can see once you click on that image, you just scroll down to, yes, this is it. You can see the image here. The image has been used. Since you are actually aware that it's a PNG, you can just download this directly from here and then erase background. So once you've done that, now let me show you guys how you can easily identify design resources as well from Google Lens. So all you need to do is to take a screenshot of that element from that design page which you want to identify. So I'll just do this for this. So once you've taken that screenshot, upload the image to your Google Lens, then crop this all the way to that particular place where the element is. So once you've cropped that to where you can see your design element. So I cropped this till I got to the coin aspect, and you can see this is the coin. That first option is there. This is the coin. So if you keep on cropping, you see some I did this multiple times. If you keep on cropping, you see sites like free pics where the image is available. So all you can do is just download that image like that, so you can use this to identify some design resources you might see in some people design. So let us do that for this next one real quick and see. Let's just do that for this next image. So once you've uploaded it again, all you need to do is to just crop it to where you want to identify. So let's just do this. Okay, I think I made a mistake in this. Okay, it's like I said I did. So I'll just crop this again. Just hold on. Just crop this. Just do this again. I'll just do this again. So all you need to do is to crop this perfectly till you get exactly what you want. Okay, yes, this is it. You can see the elements here. This is it. This is it. This is it. So that is how you can identify images online, design resources as well. Whatever image you're looking for, just do well to follow all the steps that I actually said in this tutorial. So this is it, guys. If you found this helpful, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.